What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm excited for this video because one thing about me, I love organization, okay? Just with business, with life. Now, a little bit, things has been kind of crazy because I've been so busy. I'm organized, but I'm not organized, y'all. I'm really building myself from the ground up from moving back to my hometown. But I ain't gonna complain. As y'all can see for the title, y'all know it's about organization, okay? Not gonna be too much of a long video, but I'm gonna get to the point and hit some keynotes. Basically, how to keep your sanity and slay today as a solo esthetician, being organized, okay? So yeah, we're gonna get into that. But before, welcome back to SB Aesthetics. I'm your licensed esthetician, helping solo estheticians become successful with the right tools and strategies and assisting others with their skincare and beauty needs, you guys. So this is what you'll find when you decide to join the family on this channel and subscribe. And if you haven't already, do so. Let's continue. So I always like to say cleanliness is next to godliness, and I like to put organization in that category too because when you're organized, definitely for a solo esthetician, we can think better. You know, we can think like when you're organized, you can map out everything you need to do, like just day by day, okay? And I kid you guys, I've had fallen like literally like from being organized to being unorganized, like terribly unorganized. And I don't like that because I'm like tackling on 20 different things when I should be tackling 3 things. So I try to like, and I'm speaking business wise, okay? I'm speaking solo esthetician. So like, for example, I had got this book and I also got this Audible, and they kind of like talk about the same thing, basically breaking down your goals in small sections and just small chunks, right? And the reason why you do this, so you don't overstress yourself out, so you don't become unorganized when you're already organized, you know? So for example, what I was doing for the last month here is I would be tackling like 10 different things, but not getting none of them done in a specific time that I had set for myself. And I really had an epiphany with myself. And I was talking to my husband. I'm like, oh my gosh, like I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so stressed. I got so much going on. I don't want to quit what I have going on because I know it's good. I just need to balance and organize myself in time management. I need to get all that in control. And so in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be sharing some great things with you in regards to how to keep your sanity and slay today with organization. So first thing first, if you're wanting organization, which you should, you want to embrace the power of organization. This is key. You need to have a plan, a schedule, even maybe some colorful sticky notes just to keep your thoughts organized and your to-do list or step-by-step list organized. So when you do this and you know that, hey, I need to take this serious, I need to embrace the power of organization, then you're going to move differently. You're going to do differently, and you're going to be able to tackle things once you do this. And so again, maybe if you're like me or was like me, where you were doing like 10 or 20 things in one day, break those down into small chunks. Instead of saying, okay, I'm gonna do 10 or 20 things and you never get them done, you just work on them and you skip that, and then you go to that, and then you skip that, you check your email, then you skip that. No, so if you're that person, this is what I'm going to suggest for you to do. What I would do starting off is start with 3 goals to tackle, and you got until the end of the week to finish them completely, like erase, check mark, done. And then you're going to move on to the next 3 the following week. I would say do that. That has been helping me literally. Like I even feel the stress a little bit going away because I was overwhelmed. And I knew these things, but sometimes when you get busy, you get lost in the sauce. You get lost with everything that's going around you. So try to do that, and that I believe will work. Next up, let's talk about time management, you guys. You are in control of your time. Keep that in mind. As a solo esthetician, you are in control of it. So you're the master of your destiny. Where do you want to be? Where do you want to go? That comes with time management, okay? Even when booking appointments, you got to be on time. You don't want to be showing up late to schedule appointments that you have scheduled, but you're not showing up. So make sure you set individual time frames, time organization for each client, and stick to this. This will help you, and this will help them. This will help you build rapport. This will help you get good reviews. If you are good on time management, you won't have no problems. Things will go really good for you. And to just keep in mind, you know, no client want to be kept waiting for you and then have a whole, let's say a brow appointment turn into a facial appointment, you know? So you don't want to be having a brow appointment that take 15 minutes, but they've been here at your spa for the last hour. So time management is key. Just try to stick to it. And let's say that you did have a scheduled time set aside and it's not working, and you notice that you keep showing up late, you keep missing the deadline, missing the time, then you as a solo esthetician might need to revisit your staff hours, your hours as a staff and do the hours that you know you can commit to and follow through with. Now, let's not forget about self-care, because most of us, we need that. We need that time to treat ourselves. We need that time to meditate. We need that time to heal. So self-care is key. Take some time out for yourself, whether it's going for a walk, whether it's indulging in a nice hydrating mask, whether it's doing your makeup, whether it's hydrating your lip, whatever works for you. Take that self-care time out for yourself so that you can be the best version of yourself when it comes time to performing services for your clients. Because remember, you can't slay the day if you're running empty on fuel, okay? So we have to re-energize ourselves, reboot ourselves, do the things that make us happy so we can perform how we know we can perform, okay? Because when you perform good, you get great results. If you're tired and you're missing out on time and you're showing up late and you haven't done anything for yourself, you feel like how you look and you look how you feel. You know, that they really go hand to hand. So take the time out for yourself, okay? And do good. And I'm learning this, guys, y'all. I just got my hair retwisted. I needed that. Like, don't get me wrong, I love when my hair, my locks are doing their thing, they locking, right? But when you take the time out for yourself and get yourself up to par, you feel good and you do better and you make better choices, right? Oh, and speaking of slaying the day, don't forget to market yourself like a pro. This is key, you guys. Social media is going to be your best friend when it comes to reaching new clients, potential clients, future clients, and present clients. You know, it's key. Social media is not going nowhere. Emails, Facebook, Instagram, posting, reels, stories, all that stuff makes sense. What I will say to you, because I struggle in some of these things, I only do what I know what works, okay? I'm not going to be on a platform where I know I'm not heavily on the platform posting and doing this stuff. So I'll say pick 1 to 2 platforms that you're really great at and go hard and post. Market yourself, okay? Like a pro that you are. So you want to be sure that you snap those before and after pictures. Share a tip, share a personal story of how you got here to here. It's so many things you can share. Share a review or testimony of a client that you have done in the past so they can speak on your work. Let the world know why you're the esthetician they've been dreaming of and waiting for. You got to do these things to stand out and be a pro. And lastly, you just want to be an organized solo esthetician, okay? And while doing so, make sure you still have your sense of humor. You don't have to be mean because you're organized. You don't have to be bitter because you're organized. Actually, organization makes you a better person, I believe. Life can be messy, literally. But in this case, you know, with things, a whole bunch of things going on, you just got to try to keep smiling at everything you do. Even when you're struggling, your job is to conquer the day. Be organized, do what's right. I will also be leaving down below my solo esthetician success guide if you are looking to get more clients and want to know how to post or what should you be posting daily, weekly, and so on. This is a great guide at such a low affordable cost, you guys, and I'm going to be coming out with some great things also. You know, I'll be coming out with a few things, so just stay tuned, you guys. I got some good, great things for you guys in store. I'll leave that link down below and a few other links if I feel like it's beneficial for this video, and I'll catch you guys back with another great one. Bye.